That was a weird noise. He's just like, I'm having a mental breakdown.
He's like, why are you guys staring at me?
Okay, I think he's about ready to fly now. Well, not really. It looks like he's trying to get ready.
Close the door.
I'm afraid it's gonna rip through.
He's like, what? You attack me, you're flying into this, okay?
He's probably gonna rip through it.
No, he's probably gonna break it.
I'm just gonna call it a they, because I don't know. I could be offending them.
Yeah, it's like, why are you guys so nice to it?
I am going bad.
Here. There you go. Move.
Oh, the kitty made her move. The kitty tried to get it. He's like, I'm going to kill you.